Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error, fail to connect to the server, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Minecraft easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp on here. You're going to go ahead and download this software on your computer, click download latest stable release, click OK and then start downloading the software. And after it's done downloading, you're going to open it up. And once you're in the software, now you're going to come here at the settings menu. You're going to click onto 1.1.1.1 with warp and then click connect and wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and try to play Minecraft and you'll see that your game will launch and connect now and you will not get that fail to connect error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.